Mark the circle as shown. So this is the center of the back. This is the shoulder point. This is the underarm and underarm. So to begin round 20 of the shrug, then we have to slip stitch up to the mark stitch, because this is part of the armhole, so we want to leave this area open up to this shoulder point marker, and then we will be crocheting from this shoulder point up to the next shoulder point. So let us mark this shoulder point to highlight that we need to stop the repeating stitches right there and start making the foundation chain for the armhole. So we slip stitch up to the shoulder point area. So slip stitch on next chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the double crochet, 6, and into the space, 7, and into the next marked double crochet. So 8 altogether. Then we will start the beginning of the round here. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark this as the beginning of the round. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 1. So we will make a total of 7 double crochets on each and every chain 1 spaces. So we already made 1 double crochet and chain 1 included on the chain 3. So we double crochet on the next chain 1 space 6 more times to make a total of 7. So this is the second, chain 1, double crochet, 3, chain 1, double crochet, 4, chain 1, double crochet, 5, chain 1, double crochet, 6, chain 1, double crochet, 7. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next chain 1 space, and we will mark this double crochet as the beginning of the repeating stitches. Then we repeat. We already made a 1 double crochet, so we need a total of 7, so we need 6 more. So chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet on the next, chain 1 space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next, chain 5 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next, chain 5 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is the ending of the repeating stitches. Let's use a different colored marker so we will not get it confused with the other marks that we used. So we will repeat this same set of stitches over and over all around, except where we need to make the foundation chain for the armhole. So repeat this set of stitches from here to here, and I'll meet you at the shoulder point mark to start the foundation chain for the armhole. If you are making a round tablecloth and not a shrug, then continue repeating this set of stitches all the way around and skipping the next segment of this video. You notice that I'm already at the mark area, but we need to make a complete set of 7 double crochets. So we are going to make one last double crochet past the shoulder point mark. After the 7th double crochet, then we start to make the foundation chain. Chain 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fifty-four, 55. So after the foundation chain, then double crochet on the first chain 1 space at the mark area. Then continue the repeating stitches. So we will make a total of 7 double crochet. So we already made 1. So we chain 1 and double crochet on the next space. And we can remove the marker at this point, since we already made the armhole foundation. So chain 1, double crochet for the 3rd time, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and continue to repeat until the next mark area. After the mark stitch, we chain 55. After chain 55, we've reached the end of the round, so we slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 3. And this is the end of round 20 for the shrug. And that's how it looks. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.